This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you a neat trick to embed a Google Slides presentation on a WordPress blog. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Also, just to let you know, what I'm about to show you, even though this is on a Mac version of Chrome, you can also do this on a Windows PC or a Chromebook or basically any place where you can use the Chrome browser and then access both Google Slides and your WordPress blog, and you're logged in. So here is the WordPress blog that I have. I want this particular slideshow. It's kind of a businessy type of slideshow that I created some years ago. I want just to put this right onto my WordPress blog, which will also have the URL. So it will show excel.in30minutes.com. It will not show this Google Docs URL at the top, which is important to me. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to create the container where the embedded Google Slides presentation will go. So I'm just going to use a blog post on WordPress. You could also do a page on WordPress, but I'm just going to do a blog post. So I'm going to select New Post. Okay. Now, by the way, when you come to your post or page on WordPress, you want it to look like this. If it looks like this, which is the newfangled block editor, also called Gutenberg, you want to get out of that. You just want to be able to basically enter text, which means HTML text. So right now, this is called the WordPress Classic Editor, so I can enter HTML text directly, but I'm just going to give it a quick name first. So let's give it a title. Embedded Slideshow from 2020. Okay, that's the title. And then I'm just going to get a little text here. Actually, let's switch to visual. Here is the slideshow from a few years ago. Okay, I'm going to switch to HTML view. So click on text. If you don't see text, look for a button that lets you switch to HTML. Sometimes it may look like two pointy brackets, but the idea is the same. You can basically copy and paste HTML code into this particular blog post. So let's go back to Google Slides, go to File, Share, Publish to the Web. Okay, now this is interesting. For Google Slides, it will let you auto-advance the slides. So that means when anybody loads up this WordPress blog post I'm creating, it will just go through the slides every 3 seconds. Unfortunately, for this particular slideshow, I think it requires more than 3 seconds. So maybe what I might do is just change it to every 15 seconds. Start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and then restart the slideshow after the last slide. And then I'm going to click Publish. Sure you want to do that? Yes. Okay. So it's giving me a link, but I don't want a link. I want actually text. I want the computer code that will let me embed the slideshow right into my WordPress blog. So this is good. It's giving me the slide size, so medium, 1280 by 749. This is measured in pixels. That's actually pretty wide. Maybe I'll do a small version of that. And I'm going to select the auto advance feature to, what did I say, 15 seconds, and then select these two. And then I'm going to copy this text. So I have just selected it, right click over it, copy, going back to WordPress and pasting it right in. Let's see what it looks like. And here it is. So this is the exact same slideshow. And actually, I see this. There's like a little control thing here. So I can go through. And actually, the great thing about this is it shows my animations and everything else. So this is really useful. And if I didn't press these buttons, it would be uploading every 15 seconds, updating every 15 seconds. And then, of course, once I click Publish, it will be using this URL right up here. So this is a really, really effective tool for getting your slideshows out of Google Slides and onto the web, onto your own URL that you control using a WordPress blog. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the book that we have on Google Drive and Docs. It also includes information on Google Sheets and Google Slides. I'm the author, and it's now in its 3rd edition. Tens of thousands of people have read this, and it's a really useful reference. More links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.